am now routing the cables for the underglow on the Transmaro. It's gonna be temporary for now because I gotta figure some more things out, but I want to be able to light up tonight, so.
What's tonight?
JaxWax 1 year anniversary, I guess. So, I don't know. If there's a party, I'll go. You know
I'm just excited because it's gonna be dark and the cars are gonna be lit up. That's my motive.
Well, that's good. That's good.
Look at all the chicks, don't you? They're so cute.
It might won't miss you, get back kiss you. Take it damn right, cause you got history. And now I'm there, you gotta pick her up, these issues. Baby, baby, wobble, 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 baby, wobble,
What is up? What is up? So once again, I just want to know, now that we've got a little bit more food, we got a couple cars over here, a couple bikes. Nothing crazy, just a typical Saturday afternoon over here at the Slaughterhouse of Shine. Can I please hear a round of applause if you guys are having a great time tonight, though? Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, Papa. Of course, no problem. You got it. All right, so over here to my right, I have Jessie's Performance up in the house, and right now she is showcasing that tee. Actually, it's a hoodie. My bad. And there's tees too, right? You got tees?
Tees too, yeah.
Tees, hoodies, a little bit of everything. So if you're interested in some gear, they got it right over there. They're all set up. Amazing assortment of gear. Now, not only that, we are doing a raffle inside the shop. It only takes $20 to be a part of it. Whenever you purchase $20 and so on and so forth. And one of the things that they're raffling off, what are you raffling off? Let's talk about it.
We are raffling off a certificate for 3 dyno pulls. You'll get horsepower and torque numbers. It's got to be a 2-wheel drive car. We can't do anything all-wheel drive. Can't do any bikes, but yeah, so definitely enter to win that. That's like a $200 value.
$200 value, and of course we got some crazy stuff inside of the shop. And no, we are not raffling off Caesar because, you know, I know people have asked about that, so that's a no, right? Like, right? We're okay, just making sure. Nope, definitely not. Okay, now we're talking about a round of applause if you've had some tacos, though. How are the tacos? Are those is that spot hitting right now? What about some churros? You guys been having some churros or what?
Yes, sir.
Now we're yeah, pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Handmade. CBD Farmhouse is up in the house right there, right? Little round of applause for CBD up in the house. All right. So, since we got a pretty full house right now, who's ready for an announcement right now that really nobody really knows about? That's some big news. You guys want some big news? Some next level type news. I think you're ready. David, can I go and hit him with that next level news? He says, hit him with that shit. So you guys about to be knee deep in that shit right now. Not literally. All right. Bathroom was clogged for a little bit, so I mean, it's all fixed. So, back to the shit. Here is the deal. August 5th, JaxWax DFW has rented out the entire Motorplex in Ennis. So if you think that we're getting down right now, this will be that next level shit that what you have not seen any type of car care shop do. Why? Because we are about this life. So round of applause if you're trying to get down with us on August 5th.
August 5th, I will be out in my drag car. I have the 3rd gen. It's a Trans Am, actually. We call it the Transmaro, but we'll be out making passes in that. If you guys want to check it out, it's like a 2,000 horsepower big turbo car. It's the white one sitting over there by the NASROD. So come check it out. We'll be there August 5th.
And we are talking about this because, yes, customers with regular everyday drivers can pull. Shops can pull. I'm trying to work on the bike scene to go ahead and pull because, trust me, I've been talking about that. I got to find out about it regardless. Bikes are going to be involved. Cars are going to be involved. Car show type thing. Next level is what's going down August 5th. That's the same day as the Diaz fight, and I got some money on Diaz. So if you want to go ahead and start betting, I am down with that all day long because that's how we run. That sounds a little bit shady, huh? No, people love the grind. People love that grind, right? Because we're straight over here, right? Yeah, you guys love the grind. I can tell. That's what. So, hey, again, thank you guys. You guys have made this 12-month anniversary absolutely amazing, and that's what it's all about. Have a great time. Cops are on payroll. I gave them $20. We are good to go and just respect the spot though. Once you hit that asphalt, it's on you. So go ahead. All right. You guys having a good time though? I just need to hear from you guys. This 12-month anniversary shit. You guys loving it though, right? All right. One little thing I want to see. Show of hands. If it's your first time up in this place, it's your very first time, please put your hands up in the air. Never been here before. You guys having a good experience? Holy hell. Look at your ass. You did here before. Damn, Donald. All right, so thank you guys so much. Have a great time. Enjoy yourself. The party don't end until 10 o'clock or pretty much till the cops come through, but I already told you that's all good. As always, much love. You already know. Peace.
That's a cheat. JaxWax shirt.
Not NFC Division 1. Really a Washington.
Thank you guys so much. I was really appreciate it. So we're gonna go sleep.
Cool. Oh yeah, I'm trying to relax.
Take a day off.
For sure. Yeah, and I'll let you guys know before I come through, but please don't hesitate before the 19th or whatever. Let's get you guys situated or whatever. Tyler.
Okay.
I'll find out. Awesome. Yep, I got you.
Cool. Yeah, of course. Thank you so much.